everyone! This is Heart and welcome to the Heart Baker Kitchen. Today, we have a very special recipe for you. Just a quick and easy recipe for you guys. This is our hot cocoa mix jars. These are so perfect for gifts during these holidays and so easy to do it yourselves. And so here we just need our glass jar or any container where you want to have it, ating hot cocoa mix. Then we have our parchment paper. Para lang siyang long funnel or embudo. But if you have yung funnels like this one, it's okay also to use. Pero you want to make sure that it reaches the bottom of the jar para hindi mag-spill dun sa sides. Then in our jar, we're going to pour in our cocoa powder, Sabroso Cocoa powder. Okay. So you see, the reason why we wanted to use a funnel is para hindi magkaroon ng cocoa powder dun sa sides ng ating jar. Para kitang-kita yung layers of the different ingredients that we will be adding in. Next is our sugar. You can use any type of sugar that you prefer. I just like using white sugar for this one for the sake of layering. And it will look like snow on top of our cocoa powder. And then we'll be adding in Sabroso cacao butter. So cacao butter is this one. It's the fat from the cacao. Okay, we're adding cacao butter for this one because it makes the hot cocoa smooth and velvety. Kung mahilig kayo dun sa medyo malapot-lapot ng konting hot chocolate. Yun yung binibigay ni cocoa butter. Oops. Okay. From here, pwede na kayo mag-add ng different variations na gusto ninyo. You can have marshmallows like this one, Sabroso cacao nibs or nuts, rice crispies. Pwede yan. So, I'm adding here Sabroso cacao nibs also. Because I want yung cocoa, hot cocoa, to have that little crunch. Pwede din yan. Para merong texture yung ating hot cocoa. So from here, you just add the lid and then place a ribbon, or for this one, we have yung ating wooden spoon for them, then just a little gift tag and you're all set. So for here, I want to show you how to prepare naman yung hot cocoa. So not enough na nag-assemble lang tayo ng hot cocoa. I want to show you how you can prepare them also. If you're not doing this as gifts, if you're making this for at home for your family, so I'll show you how we can prepare our hot cocoa. Okay, now we will prepare one of our hot cocoa mix jars. This one has little white marshmallows on them. And so we just want to separate the toppings first in terms of mallows para hindi siya mag-melt dun while we're going to cook our hot cocoa. And then, in a saucepan, so okay lang, meron pang onting natira. And then, in our saucepan, we're just going to add in 1 cup or 250 grams of water. Since if you want it to be vegan, you just use water. But if you want it to have a little more creamy taste, you can use milk or any nut milk, almond milk, oat milk, soy milk. Pwede rin po yan. But since we have the cocoa butter here, I'll show you how smooth and silky our hot cocoa will become because of the help of our Sabroso cacao butter. So we just dump all our jar ingredients, hot cocoa ingredients, then we turn on the heat. And very important is that we use a wire whisk for this one. So the wire whisk will help blend our ingredients together. Yan. And medyo mag-froth siya. Para ma-incorporate ng onting air. So we'll just heat it up until it's boiling and all the cacao butter is melted. So yung iba, takot sila mag-add ng cacao butter because they think na magkakaroon ng oiliness or oily texture or mouth feel dun sa kanilang hot cocoa. That is not the case. You just want to use a wire whisk and i-froth up nyo lang si hot cocoa para mag-emulsify yung ating mixture. Yan. So like this one, i-beat nyo lang siya para ma-fully mix yung ating cacao butter. If you want this to be sugar-free, you can use low-calorie sweetener instead of white sugar, like erythritol or stevia, making this recipe low-carb. So once our cacao butter is fully melted, as you can see, and medyo nag-froth na yung ating hot cocoa, so we turn off the heat. So a little more. Froth pa natin siya. So as you can see, even without the milk, our hot cocoa is frothing up because of the help of the cacao butter. Yan, cacao butter na in-add natin. And that's it. We just pour it into our favorite mug. And that is it for our hot cocoa mix jars. I hope you enjoyed and you try this at home as a gift for your family and friends, or on any holiday morning you prepare for your family. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Thank you to Sabroso Chocolate Philippines for letting us try their ingredients. We used their Sabroso cacao powder for this one, or you can also use the Sabroso Cocoa powder and Sabroso cacao nibs. For other Sabroso products, you can find them at the Heart Bakery PH Baking Needs or on their online stores, Shopee and Lazada. Thank you so much for watching our recipe video for today. I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot. Please make sure to like and subscribe here on our YouTube channel and like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You can also leave comments and suggestions down below if you have any requests for our future recipes. Again, this is Heart Caliente. Thank you for watching. Ang ayun. Sarap, kainis.